from this to this. Let's build it. Inside the downloaded folder, look for the action file. It's the one with the ATN extension. The action file creates a placeholder for your design, and with one click, transforms your flat book cover into a 3D mockup. Load this action file into your Photoshop Actions panel. In the latest version of Photoshop, you can simply drag and drop the file into the workspace, and it will automatically load into the Actions panel. As an alternative, for older versions of Photoshop, you can also drag and drop it directly into the Actions panel. You should now see it listed in the Actions panel. If you can't see the Actions panel, go to the Window menu and enable Actions. At this point, we can begin using the action. As you can see, this mockup includes 3 action steps. Start by selecting the Starter Template action, then click the Play button. Once it's finished, Photoshop will create a placeholder for your design. The starter template is ready. You can now add your design to the placeholder. Before running the next action, make sure the border guide and background layers remain unchanged and visible. I've included a ready-made sample PSD template for anyone starting from scratch. Drag and drop the provided PSD template into the Folder tab area. This will open it in a separate workspace, allowing you to edit the template as you like. Simply customize the text, replace the images, and add your own logos to create your design. Let's treat this as your finished design, ready to be converted into a 3D mockup. Now, select the Render 3D action and hit Play. Allow a moment for the action to process. A single book mockup typically takes only a few seconds, while multiple books may require more time. Please be patient during this step. Render 3D complete. Now you can resize and export your 12-book box set mockup and save it for web. I've also added a must-see tutorial on how to resize and save your finished mockup in another video on this channel. Let's take a look at the actual size of the image generated by our action. Most of our actions produce mockups at 300 pixels per inch, which is our standard resolution for print quality and also sharp enough for web display. But you might be wondering, this is a 12-book box set. What if you only need fewer books? Good news, we've got you covered. While this action generates a 12-book set by default, you can also create a smaller set with fewer books. Let's take a look. All layers created by the action are neatly organized into grouped layers, with names and color labels like Box Set Case, Book 1, Book 2, and so on. Once the Render 3D action is complete, you can hide any layer groups you don't need. Let's collapse the drop-down for each layer group first. Now you can see each book's layer group. By the way, you can also create a transparent background version of your book set so it blends naturally with your website. Simply turn off the eye icon next to the layer group you want to hide. As you can see, this action lets you easily create book cover displays with anywhere from 1 to 12 books. Okay, let's set it to 10 books. To remove the box set case, use the third action step I've provided. Just like before, select the action and click Play. And that's it! Done! You can now resize the bookset mockup without the slipcase version and export it as a web-ready image. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more mockup tutorials and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!